Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove the alternator on Ford C-Max Mk1 with a 1.6Ti-VCT engine. The alternator and the serpentine belt on this car are located on the side of the engine. You can see the alternator is located right there, and as a serpentine belt, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt we need to go underneath the car. To make it easier to remove the serpentine belt, first we're going to remove this wheel, front hand wheel, and also the wheel arch liner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the serpentine belt on this engine. There is no serpentine belt tensioner, so we're going to use a ratchet and socket size 18. This belt is elastic, so in order to remove the belt we're going to put the ratchet onto the crankshaft pulley bolt, and we're going to use a pry bar to just pry out the serpentine belt. So now while we're pulling out the serpentine belt, we're going to turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise, and you can see the serpentine belt is coming out. And that's the serpentine belt removed. Next we need to remove the alternator. The alternator is held by 3 bolts, 2 bolts on the top and 1 bolt one bolt down there. 3 bolts, so we need to remove those 3 bolts. Once we remove those 2 bolts, then the only thing left to remove is the electrical connector, which is on the rear of the alternator, and also the power cable, which is a size 13 socket. I'm not going to remove them, I'm just going to show you where they are. You can see the alternator is loose now, so the only thing left to remove is this power cable. We need to remove that cap, and we need to remove that nut, and also the electrical connector, which is right there. Afterwards, assembling of the alternator is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.